Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $10,363 level. Congratulations guys, we are currently ranked at 220 with a market cap of about $344 million. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $96 million. And today we basically are going to be looking at what is the monthly price prediction for the month of March right here for YFI, right? YFI is up 22% in the last 1 week, and in the last 24 hours right here YFI is up 8.8%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So guys, I have been telling you guys that we should continue to expect the $12,000 right here for YFI. I had a lot of people who did not believe, right? They said YFI is going to go down, go down. But guys, I continue telling you guys that YFI is bullish and expect even more upside right here for YFI, right? So, and as you can see, congratulations to every single person who has been holding and has made money. If you want to support me in the channel, please, there are links in the description for you to just get me coffee, whatever you want to support. Thank you for doing that, right? And so for YFI, we were looking at this pattern. We were seeing long consolidation, massive break to the upside, right? And as you can see, same thing was happening right here. Long consolidation. Let's get this out of the way. We're seeing long consolidation, massive breakout to the upside. Same long consolidation, we should expect some sort of massive breakout to the upside. And as you can see, that is happening exactly as predicted, right? And our next target continue to remain the $12,000 level. We have just gone above our $9,600 level, and congratulations to every single person. I told you guys we were going to see that massive breakout, and we are seeing it currently at the moment, right? So basically we could see the price of YFI go as high as the $25,000 level, as that is the first level for our Fibonacci price prediction tool, which is saying that first level, the 0.236, is currently at the $25,000 level. So that is a huge possibility that could happen anytime soon right here for YFI, right? So expect some sort of massive push. If we go above the $12,000 level, the next target right here continues to remain the $15,000 level right here for YFI. The whales have sold off of their position, so this coin is currently not controlled by whales, and we could see a natural flow to the upside, right? We continue to remain bullish as we see massive inflows are still coming, massive volume inflows and momentum still favoring the bulls. And we said every single time that has occurred, we have seen that massive push to the upside, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.